Did you know Japan is one of the most advanced countries in the world, but people still boo instead of shaking hands? Today, let's understand Japan in simple English. Hello everyone, welcome to Countries Worldwide. This is our country series where we explore 195 countries. Today's country is Japan, and this country number 2 in our journey. Japan is an island country in East Asia. It is surrounded by the Pacific Ocean and has no land borders. Japan is made up of many islands which make it very unique. The capital city of Japan is Tokyo. Tokyo is one of the most modern and busiest country in the world. It is known for technology, tall buildings and fast life. Japan has a population of about 125 million people. Even though Japan is small in size, a large number of people live there. The main language spoken in Japan is Japanese. The currency of Japan is Japanese yen. Japan is famous for food like sushi, ramen, tempura, and bento boxes. Some famous places in Japan are Mount Fuji, Tokyo temples, and Osaka city. Mount Fuji is the highest mountain in Japan and a national symbol. One surprising fact about Japan is that there are vending machines everywhere. Some vending machines even sell hot food and drinks. Japan is also famous for its animation industry, which the world known as anime. Anime has fans all over the world. Japan is important globally because it is a leader in technology, cars, electronics, and innovation. Many famous global brands come from Japan. So this was Japan in simple English. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe. Comment below and tell me which country you want next. See you in the next country.